How to hide your online status on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Hiding our online status on WhatsApp is very easy task. Open up WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone. Tap on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side, then simply go to the option that says Settings. From Settings, go to the option called Privacy. From Privacy, you can see the option called Last Seen and Online. Tap on it. Select Last Seen to Nobody and select When I'm Online to Same as Last Seen. So since Last Seen is set to Nobody, and when you select your online status as Same as Last Seen, no one will be able to view your online status. But you can also choose this to My Contacts or Everyone, or My Contacts except a few people. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.